हॅलो. अक्षदा फिशरीला आहे. अक्षदा प्रणाली. हॅलो. अक्षदा प्रणाली फिशरीला आहात का? फिशरीला नसाल तर लिहा. निकिता.
येस मॅम.
बाकीचे दोघं तिघं जॉईन होत आहेत का?
मॅम प्रज्वलला फोन केलेला पण त्यांना रिसीव्ह नाही केलं.
ओके ठीक आहे. तुला स्क्रीन दिसते?
हो.
सो आपण आता सुरू करणार आहोत लिपिड. प्रोटीन पर्यंत आपण बघितलं आणि लिपिड. सो lipids, dietary lipids, that is fatty acid esters of glycerol, sources of essential fatty acids and primary energy source, means storage production. Primary energy source, mainly triglycerides are majority of dietary and body fat important for the insulation. Lipids are the generic names assigned to a group of fat soluble compounds. आता आपण लिक्विडमध्ये फॅट सोल्युबल्स आणि वॉटर सोल्युबल पाहिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. लिपिड्स आर द जेनेरिक नेम्स असाइन्ड टू ए ग्रुप ऑफ फॅट सोल्युबल compounds found in the tissues of plant and animals and are broadly classified as a firstly fats, then second phospholipids, then sphingomyelins, waxes, esters of glycerols. Acids is broadly classified as fats. Lipids is broadly classified as firstly fats, phospholipids, sphingomyelins, waxes, esters of glycerol. They are principles for the energy storage. They contain more energy per unit weight than any other biological products. Means the 8.5 kilocalories, it is useful or utilize metabolizable energy per gram. मेटाबॉलिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी किती एनर्जी लागते त्यांना? 8.5 किलो कॅलरीज लिपिडमधून फिशेसला प्रोव्हाइड्स केलेली असते. फर्स्ट इज फॅट. फॅट्स आर फॅटी ॲसिड इस्टर्स ऑफ ग्लिसरॉल अँड आर द प्रायमरी एनर्जी डिपॉझिट्स ऑफ ॲनिमल्स. Fish have the unique capability of metabolizing these compounds readily and as a result can exist for long periods of time under conditions of food deprivations. Second one is phospholipids. Phospholipids are the esters of fatty acids and phosphofatidic acids. These are the main constituent lipids of cellular members, allowing the membrane surface to be hydrophobic or hydrophilic depending on the orientation of the lipid compounds into the intra or extracellular spaces. Then the next is sphingomyelins are the fatty acid esters of sphingosine and are present in brain and nerve tissue compounds. Then next is waxes, energy storage in plants and in some animal compounds. Dietary lipids also serve as carriers by absorption of other nutrients, that is fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K and natural or synthetic. Means it is the nature of nutrients. Dietary lipid influence flavors and texture, prepared feed and also flesh quality of fish feed. Fatty acids can exist as a straight chain or branch chain component. Many of the fish fats contain numerous unsaturated double bond in the fatty acid structure. The polysaccharides, monosaccharides, unsaccharides, polysaccharides, polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFA, are divided into three families. Polyunsaturated fatty acids means PUFA. It is divided into three families named after the shortest chain length fatty acids representing each, namely कोणत्या three families आहेत त्या? The first one is oleic, second one is linoleic, and the third one is linolenic acid. Polyunsaturated fatty acids are divided into three families. First one is oleic, second one is linoleic, and the third one is linolenic acids. Omega system of nomenclature is used for identification of families. Those belonging to oleic family are referred as omega-9, linoleic as omega-6, and linolenic as omega-3 fatty acids. It is belonging to oleic family. Oleic is omega-9, linoleic is omega-6, and the linolenic is omega-3 fatty acids. Linoleic acid is expressed as Oleic acid is classified as a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acids. It is abbreviated with a liquid number of 18 carbon chain with one or single bond in cis configuration. Okay, it having the chemical formula, that is C18H34 and O2. Then the next one is linolenic acid is expressed as 18 carbon with double bond in cis configuration. Okay, 18 number of carbon atoms, double or two numbers or double bonds of omega-6 means cis configuration in the location of the first double bond relative to the methylene CH3 end of the molecules. The chemical formula of linoleic acid is C18H32 and O2. Then the third one is linolenic acid. Linolenic acid, it is a carboxylic acid with an 18 carbon chain or 18 number of carbon atoms and three cis double bonds. The first double bond is located at the third carbon from the methyl end. The third carbon of the methyl end, the fatty acid chain known as N end. Thus, alpha linoleic acid is a polyunsaturated N3 or omega-3 fatty acids. The chemical formula of linoleic acid is C18H30O2. The chemical formula of oleic acid is C18H34 and O2. Then the chemical formula of linoleic acid C18H32 and O2. And while the chemical formula of linolenic acid is C18H30 and O2. Okay, let's see here. Oleic acid. Oleic acid is also called as cis-9 octadecanoic acid. Is an example of fatty acids found in animal and vegetable oils. It is a monosaturated fatty acids due to the presence of a single bond. काय म्हटलंय आपण 18 कार्बन अँड 1 और सिंगल बॉन्ड सिस कॉन्फिगरेशन. हे काय पाहिलं आपण त्याचं ॲब्रिव्हिएशन. ठीक आहे. इट इज ए मोनो अनसॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड्स ड्यू टू द प्रेझन्स ऑफ ए सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड. The physical property of fatty acids like oleic acids are determined by the number, geometry and position of the double bond in the chain. Oleic acid is the most widely distributed of all the fatty acids, apparently occurring to some extent in all oils and fats. In oil such as olive, palm, peanut and sunflower, it is the principal acid obtained by saponification. See, oleic acid, this is the chemical formula. Like other fatty acids, does not occur in the free state but is normally found as ester of glycerol, that is a glyceride, or as an ester of a long chain of alcohol. See, this is the structure. Then next one is linoleic acids. The exact structure was clarified by Hilditch TP et al. In 1939 and was synthesized by Raphael R.A. and Sondenmer F. in 1950. It is a polyunsaturated fatty acid. जे फर्स्ट वालं होतं लिनोलिक काय होतं मोनो अनसॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड. हे काय आहे पॉली अनसॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड्स विथ 2 cis double bonds. The first one from the methyl end is an omega 6 or N6. So in shorthand 18 carbon 18 2N or 6. It is written as in the short, means 18 carbon having chain of double bond in cis configuration with omega 6. Number of the substance groups called long chain fatty acids. काय झालं? ओके. हॅलो,
येस मॅम.
झालंय का कोणी जॉईन का तू एकटीच आहेस?
मॅम मी एकटीच आहे.
बरं ठीक आहे. आज 1 वाजेला सोडायचं आहे बघ मला, कारण मला सुपरविजन आहे म्हणून थोडंसं फास्ट.
मॅम चालेल.
It is a polysaturated fatty acids with 2 cis double bonds. The first one from the methyl end is an omega 6 or N6. So in shorthand 18 as to 2N6 means omega 6. Number of the subgroup called long chain fatty acids. From 14 to 18 carbon atoms. Then the next one is linolenic acid. It is an essential fatty acids belonging to the omega 3 fatty acids group. It is highly concentrated in certain plant oils and has been reported to inhibit the synthesis of prostaglandin, resulting in reduced inflammation and prevention of certain chronic diseases. ठीक है, it is useful in the prevention of certain chronic diseases. The linolenic acid is a drug which is used for nutritional supplementation and for treating dietary shortage or imbalance. कशासाठी ट्रीटमेंट करतात तर ते डायटरी सप्लिमेंट करण्यासाठी किंवा जे इम्बॅलन्स झालेलं असेल ते इम्बॅलन्स थोडक्यात बॅलन्सिंग वेला आणण्यासाठीचं काम करतात. ठीक आहे. The alpha-linolenic acid exists as a liquid and is considered to be practically insoluble in water and relatively neutral. Alpha-linolenic acid has been found throughout most human tissues and has been also primarily detected in saliva, feces, urine and blood. कशामध्ये डिटेक्ट होतंय ते तर सलायवा, feces, urine and the blood within the cells. Alpha-linolenic acid is primarily located in the cytoplasm and membrane. See, next point is classification of lipids. Lipids may be classified into two groups according to the presence or absence of the glycerol. आता हे बायोकेमिस्ट्री पूर्ण आपल्याला SY ला झालेलं आहे. बट डिफरन्स फक्त एवढंच आहे की ही आपल्याला त्या फिशरीमध्ये स्टडी करायची आहे. आतापर्यंत आपण ह्युमनमध्ये न्यूट्रिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू काय आहेत त्या बघितल्या, पण आता आपण TY मध्ये आपण ह्या फिशरीमध्ये त्यांच्या न्यूट्रिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यूज काय आहेत त्या बघत आहोत. So the lipids is classified into two groups. It is based on the presence of or absence of the glycerol. So the lipids is divided into glycerol based or non-glycerol based. This is two types. In the glycerol based, it is also divided into simple lipids or compound lipids. Simple lipids is divided into two types. First is fats and the second one is oils. Then the next is compound lipid. It is divided into two types, glycolipids and the phospholipids. Glycolipids again consist of two types, glucolipids and galactolipids. So phospholipids is again consist of lecithins and the cephalins. This is the glycerol based lipids. And non-glycerol based lipids, these are waxes, cerebrosides, then steroids, terpenes or cyphenoamylins. These are the non-glycerol based lipids. Then the first one is simple lipids. In that, fats and oil, both types of compounds are called triglycerols because they are ester compounds of three fatty acids joined to glycerol, trihydroxy alcohol. The difference is on the basis of their physical state at room temperature. It is customary to call a lipids a fat if it is solid at 25 degrees Celsius and oil if it is a liquid at the same temperature. ठीक है. These differences in melting point reflects differences in the degrees of the unsaturation of the constant fatty acids. Means it is in the fat as well as in the oil lipids at the physical state. The differences is on the basis of their physical state. Means ते room temperature ला लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये असतात ॲज वेल ॲज सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये असतात. त्यानुसार त्याच्या फिजिकल स्टेट ह्या डिसाइड होत असतात. द सेकंड वन इज कंपाउंड लिपिड्स. कंपाउंड लिपिड कन्सिस्ट ऑफ टू टाइप्स, phospholipids and the glycolipids. Phospholipids which yield fatty acids, glycerol, amino alcohols, sphingosines, then phosphoric acids and nitrogen containing alcohol upon hydrolysis. They may be glycerophospholipids or sphingospholipids depending upon the alcohol groups present. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये कुठला अल्कोहोल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट असतो त्यानुसार त्यांचं नेचर हे त्याच्यावर डिपेंड असतं की ते ग्लायसेरोफॉस्फोलिपिड्स असतील किंवा स्फिंगोफॉस्फोलिपिड्स असतील. ठीक आहे. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज ग्लायकोलिपिड्स विच yield फॅटी ॲसिड्स, sphingosines or glycerol, and a carbohydrate upon hydrolysis. Sorry, uh, carbohydrates upon the hydrolysis means they may be ग्लिसेरोग्लायकोलिपिड्स और स्फिंगोग्लायकोलिपिड्स. कशावर डिपेंड असणार आहेत ते? त्यांच्यामध्ये जे अल्कोहोल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे त्यानुसार त्यांचे ग्रुप डिस्ट्रीब्युशन होणार आहे और त्यानुसार ते समजणार आहे आपल्याला की ग्लिसेरो ग्लायकोलिपिड्स आहेत की स्फिंगोग्लायकोलिपिड्स आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये अल्कोहोल ग्रुप्स इट इज प्रेझेंट और इट इज ए absent. Fatty acids. 40 fatty acids found in the nature. Physical, chemical and nutritional properties determined by the number of carbon atoms in molecule. Then the next is number and position of double bonds between carbon atoms. म्हणजे फर्स्ट काय फिजिकल, केमिकल अँड न्यूट्रिशनल प्रॉपर्टीज कशावर डिपेंड असणार आहे? तर फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम्स इन मॉलिक्युल्स, किती प्रेझेंट आहेत ते. देन नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम्स अँड द पोझिशन ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन दी कार्बन ॲटम्स. पहिले कार्बन ॲटमचा नंबर, आताच आपण पाहिलं 18 कार्बन ॲटम. ठीक आहे. देन नंबर अँड पोझिशन ऑफ दी डबल बॉन्ड. त्यात काय पाहिलं आपण की सिंगल बॉन्ड विथ डबल, सिंगल बॉन्ड. ठीक आहे. सिंगल एक बॉन्ड आहे, विथ डबल त्याचं काय असणार आहे? पोझिशन कशी असणार आहे? डबल बॉन्डला असणार आहे. आणि आता एक सेकंड 2 बॉन्ड्स पाहिले, त्याचे डबल बॉन्डिंग पोझिशन पाहिली. म्हणजे फर्स्टली आपण कार्बन चा नंबर किती आहे ॲटमचा मॉलिक्युलचा तो बघणार. देन नंबर अँड पोझिशन ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन कार्बन ॲटम्स. Mostly naturally occurring fatty acids contain a single carboxyl group, CCOOH, carboxyl group, and a straight unbranched carbon chain. जिला ब्रांच नसतील अशा अनब्रांच कार्बन चेन आणि कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप फॅटी ॲसिड्स. मोस्ट नॅचरली ऑकरिंग फॅटी ॲसिड जे आहेत कंटेन ए सिंगल कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप अँड ए स्ट्रेट अनब्रांच कार्बन चेन. सो कार्बन चेन मे कंटेन्स. कार्बन चेन म्हटलंय आपण, मग आता ती कार्बन चेन मध्ये काय काय असणार आहे? तर नो डबल बॉन्ड, सिंगल बॉन्ड, सॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड्स, single bond mono unsaturated fatty acids, and more than one double bond poly unsaturated fatty acids. Okay. Then these are some important fatty acids. Their names, common names, scientific names and common sources, and this is the melting point. Saturated, monosaturated and the polysaturated fatty acids. Okay. Then the essential fatty acids requirement of fish. One of the most widely accepted theories explaining the presence of such a high levels of 25s3 omega and 22s6 omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil is related to the effect of unsaturation on the melting point of a lipid. The greater degree of unsaturation of fatty acids in the fish phospholipids allow for flexibility of cell membrane at lower temperature. The omega-3 structure allow a greater degree of unsaturation than the omega-6 or omega-9s, means oleic acid, linoleic acids and the linolenic acid. Omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9. This theory is consistent with the facts that cold water fishes have a greater nutritional requirement for omega 3 fatty acids. ठीक है, cold water fishes have a greater nutritional requirement for omega 3 fatty acids, while the EFA, essential fatty acids, requirement of some warm water fish can be satisfied by a mixture of omega 6 plus omega 3. A function of essential fatty acid is to serve as a precursor to metabolic icosanoids 20 carbon compounds. Icosanoids are components of biomembrane phospholipids and are mobilized from the site to be metabolized into other products. Wide range of variations in gross lipids requirement has been estimated in several species -4 to 15%. Sorry, it is not a -4, it is a 4 to 15%. Optimum for practical diet in carb, it is 7 to 9%. Then fish oil is a rich dietary source of polyunsaturated fatty acids. Polyunsaturated fatty acids, essential polyunsaturated fatty acids, and DHA, डोकोसा. DHA चा लॉन्ग फॉर्म काय आहे? डोकोसा हेक्सानोइक acid. Fish cannot synthesize linolenic acids, omega 3, and linoleic acid, that is omega 6, polyunsaturated fatty acids, but fish have required polyunsaturated fatty acids. Fish have to provide two essential fatty acids from exogenous sources. Then freshwater fish required either dietary 18 carbon double bond omega 6 linolenic or 18 carbon 3 omega 3 linolenic acids or both. Marine fishes have dietary requirements of eicosapentaenoic acid and DHA. Dietary phospholipids have beneficial effects on growth and survival of the fish as well as the prawn.